Hi guys, version 2 of my 50-gram rubber band powered car to go up an incline of 1 metre high, 3 metres long. That's version 1 there, made out of a bit of styrofoam or polystyrene. I'm planning to use the same wheels, but I'm making the frame from barbecue skewers this time. Chassis coming on. Got some cross bracing to make it a little bit more rigid. For the back axle, I'm going to use these bent paper clips for the axle tubes or bearings, and I'm going to wrap some cotton around here and glue it. Got the bent paper clips as the axle bearings. Need to add some drinking straw tubes at the front for the front bearings. I may change my mind about these wheels because I'm not sure if they're the best idea, but we'll give it at least one try with them. Well, there we are. Front wheels made from credit cards with a barbecue skewer going through them for the axle, drinking straw for the front axle tube. This is all barbecue skewers with cross bracing to make it a little bit more rigid. And then the back wheels are made from a swimming pool foam woggle, is what they call them, with a balloon cut into strips and stretched over it to give us extra grip. The back axle is actually a flower cane, which is just a bit thicker than a normal barbecue skewer, and in the middle of it, I don't know if we can see it, but I've put a little metal peg through the centre to give us something to hook the rubber band onto. Bit noisy in here at the moment because the washing machine's going, but we'll just weigh it. "32 grams. I've done some modifications. I've trimmed the back wheels so they're thinner now, because I was getting trouble with the rubber bands getting caught on the inside of the wheels. Got a couple of washers on there to add a bit more weight at the back. There's the rubber bands, and we're currently 48 grams. To make it a little easier, I've just marked the 1 metre and 2 metre marks on the slope. That's the 1 metre mark. That's the 2 metre mark. We couldn't possibly do 3 metres even if it went that far, because it's the back wheel we're measuring, so it'd have to fly off the end through the window at the moment. But I don't think I'm going to get that far. So I'm happy that I'm doing 2 metres now instead of the 1 metre we were doing before.